Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Everyone here was okay, but this was insane.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Just another driver on the wrong side of the road. It feels like we get this every other day.
Oh my god. God. Holy fuck.
Serious access fly.
At least they signaled.
Happy 2004, and yeah, it's superior, only happens every 100 years, like a total eclipse. So why would the government raise the beer tax in a beer year? Yeah, how about we put a total eclipse on the beer tax, Ottawa?
This would be the equivalent to hitting the wall.
Holy dude, that's not a travel lane, but God, no wonder there's so many wrecks right here.
God damn! Man! God damn!
Yup, they're stuck for a while here.
Man. Damn, man!
Jesus Christ.
Comment below if you know what state this is.
A few moments later.
Two idiots meet at last. This is probably the worst place and time to run a stop sign. Karma for running a stop sign. Watch until the end.
Oh, you're an idiot.
What do you think about this?
What would you like the door code to be?
You got a little, you can use much more. Oh my god. Dude, you weren't even exiting Colfax? Wow.
I feel like people deserve this when trying to change lanes last second. They surely do not come from Europe.
A few moments later.
Just another day in India. At first I thought that was a body, but luckily it's just a bike. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.